Hello guys and welcome to the channel TechTap. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable new task manager design in Windows 11. So to enable the new task manager on Windows 11 you have to be on the build number 22538 or above. So to install it we are going to use third-party tool known as ViVeTool. So for that open up Chrome and go to this link. I will leave it in the video's description, and after that click on this zip file and download. Now open the folder and extract. After that right click on the extracted folder and select copy as path. After that open up command prompt, run it as administrator, click yes to allow. After that type cd to change directory and Ctrl V to paste the link of that folder and press enter. Now you have to copy and paste these three commands. I will leave it in the video's description. Just copy and paste. Again next command and same with the last one. And after that restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And I will show you the new task manager when the system restarts. And now after restart open up your task manager, and here you will see that the new task manager is installed. As you can see that it is an early beta version, so that's why it's not working correctly, and it will be solved in the upcoming insider preview versions and eventually in the final Windows 11 update. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.